A silent revolution is already here. What if we told you that right now, as you're watching this, AI agents are quietly reshaping everything around you without most people even noticing? From the devices we rely on daily to the systems running global industries, autonomous artificial intelligence is no longer just a concept. It's a reality evolving faster than ever and changing how we live, work, and interact. In this deep dive, we'll unpack how AI agents in 2025 are doing far more than we ever imagined, sometimes in ways we're not even aware of. They're everywhere, woven into apps, platforms, and infrastructure, learning silently as they reshape your world. And what's most chilling? You may already depend on them without even knowing it. The rise of autonomous AI agents. Forget the old-school robots of sci-fi. 2025's AI agents are smarter, faster, and eerily human-like in their ability to act without constant instruction. These digital beings aren't limited to pre-programmed responses. They analyze real-time data, predict behaviors, make decisions, and even learn from their mistakes. Powered by large language models, neural networks, and advanced sensory input, they function almost like autonomous coworkers or even digital clones of ourselves. These agents don't just execute, they anticipate, adapt, and evolve in ways that blur the line between automation and cognition. They're no longer just assistants, they're entities with purpose and autonomy, and with every update, they grow more intelligent, raising questions about when assistance ends and autonomy begins. The more tasks they handle, the more invisible and indispensable they become. How do AI agents actually work? At the heart of every AI agent is a decision-making engine, a brain trained to think, reason, and evolve. These agents rely on massive data sets, natural language processing, and reinforcement learning to mimic human thought. Imagine a digital assistant that not only answers your emails, but also schedules appointments based on your mood, priorities, and even your habits. These aren't pre-coded instructions, they're dynamic actions based on evolving context. And with APIs connecting them to real-world environments, their reach extends far beyond your smartphone. These agents learn from every input, creating hyper-personalized experiences tailored to you. In essence, they're not just reacting, they're shaping your digital environment proactively. Every second, they observe, compute, and refine the reality you navigate. Tech giants leading the AI arms race. If you think AI agents are limited to startups or experimental labs, think again. Global giants like Google, Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon are in a full-blown race to dominate this space. Google's Gemini AI is evolving from a chatbot to an autonomous agent capable of project management. Microsoft's Copilot is embedded across Office tools, doing everything from summarizing documents to generating reports. Meanwhile, Amazon is quietly integrating autonomous AI into Alexa, turning it into a proactive household manager rather than a passive voice tool. These companies are pouring billions into making these AI agents indispensable and invisible in your life. Their goal? Seamless integration that feels so natural, you forget there's AI running it all. The war isn't over products anymore. It's about who can embed the smartest agent into your life the fastest. And the winner might control not just tech, but human behavior itself. Real-world applications you're already using without even knowing. From navigating traffic to managing your finances, AI agents are already entangled in your routines, and you probably didn't even realize it. In 2025, your bank uses autonomous AI to detect fraud before it happens. Your smart fridge uses an agent to reorder groceries based on consumption patterns. Your job applications might be filtered through AI before a human ever sees them. These agents are the quiet workers behind personalized Netflix recommendations, Spotify playlists, and even dynamic pricing on Uber rides. Their invisibility is what makes them so effective and a little eerie. They're embedded in your browser, your apps, your homes, and soon they may even be in your bloodstream via medical nanobots. What happens when you stop noticing who's in control? AI agents in healthcare, a game changer with risks. Imagine a doctor who never sleeps, never forgets, and has access to every medical journal ever written. This is what AI agents are becoming in healthcare. Hospitals now deploy autonomous diagnostic agents that scan X-rays, monitor patients' vitals, and predict complications with near-perfect accuracy. Virtual health assistants manage appointments, treatment reminders, and follow-up plans tailored to each patient. But this power isn't without risk. A misdiagnosis by an AI, no matter how rare, can be catastrophic. And who takes the blame, the software or the developer? Trusting machines with life and death decisions raises ethical alarms we can't afford to ignore. Because the moment we outsource critical judgment, we redefine what it means to be human. The workplace transformation, coworkers you can't see. In 2025, AI agents are no longer assistants, they're colleagues. Project managers use agents to track team performance and predict delivery risks. Programmers rely on AI to generate and debug code in seconds. HR departments deploy bots to handle employee queries, conduct initial interviews, and onboard new hires. In journalism, AI agents write, edit, and even suggest headlines optimized for SEO. This silent workforce is reshaping job definitions and workflows across the globe. While productivity soars, the haunting question remains, how long until humans become obsolete? We're approaching a tipping point where the definition of a team no longer includes only people. And once machines outperform us in collaboration, will we still be invited to the table? Challenges and ethical landmines. With great power comes great controversy, especially when AI agents begin acting independently. Privacy remains a major concern. If your AI assistant listens to everything you say, where does that data go? And how do we stop bias in autonomous decision-making when even developers struggle to explain how these models make choices? There's also the question of control once AI agents become capable of evolving themselves. How do we prevent them from exceeding their boundaries? Governments and organizations are scrambling to put rules in place, but the tech is evolving faster than legislation ever could. These agents don't just learn, they influence, and if left unchecked, they could manipulate decisions, emotions, and even democracy itself. The danger isn't just technical, it's existential. Opportunities on the horizon, the next frontier of AI agents. Despite the risks, the opportunities AI agents present are limitless. Imagine AI tutors providing personalized education for every child, regardless of location or income. Picture farming bots that monitor crops and adjust irrigation in real time. Consider law enforcement using AI to predict crime hotspots and deploy resources before incidents occur. In entertainment, AI agents are already writing scripts, composing music, and creating digital avatars. This isn't the end of human creativity, it's the evolution of it. Those who collaborate with AI will lead, those who resist may be left behind. New economies are forming around AI innovation, spawning careers we haven't even imagined. The race is on not just to adopt AI, but to master it before it masters us. The AI agent era has arrived. Are you ready? The future isn't coming, it's here, embedded in the code we use daily, often unnoticed but incredibly powerful. Autonomous AI agents in 2025 are transforming every part of our lives, from how we shop and work to how we learn and heal. They promise convenience, efficiency, and even prosperity, but they also demand responsibility, oversight, and awareness. The question isn't whether AI agents will shape your future, it's how you'll adapt to the world they're building. So, are you ready to collaborate with machines that learn, evolve, and maybe know you better than you know yourself? Because ready or not, the AI age has begun, and the smartest thing we can do now is lean in, stay informed, and never stop questioning the code behind the curtain. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this dive fascinating, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the latest in AI, technology, and how it's reshaping our world.